What's good, everyone? Today is July 11th, and here is the market recap on today. So, going into New York Session Open, we had some clean draws on liquidity on both sides of the field here. So, we had some good buy side draws, also had some pretty solid sell side draws. So, bias was 50-50 going into the day, and off New York Session Open, price made a move to the upside and took out these 15-minute highs. I'll jump on the 15-minute time frame to show this here. So 15-minute time frame. Off open, we can see that this wick right here came up, took out this 15-minute high, and we were reacting out of this bearish 15-minute gap, made a move to the downside, and then we ended up sweeping out these 15-minute lows and ended up inversing this bullish gap actually to the downside and then got a move back to the upside. So pretty interesting here. Price was respecting both bullish and bearish PD arrays. So we can see that here's off open. We took out those 15-minute highs, made a move to the downside, took out these 15-minute lows. And then, what was interesting here was that 15-minute candle to the downside inversed that bullish 15-minute gap. So kind of odd. Then we had a reversal back to the upside. We did have a 5-minute inverse. I'll jump on the 5-minute time frame. Also, we can see that we inversed this 1 minute as well, but this candle did take out these internal highs before closing. So for me, the trade was invalid, but we did also have a bullish 5-minute gap as well. So right here we had a bearish 5-minute gap that got inversed right here. The thing is, if I was to enter on this trade here, this would have been less than a 1-to-1 risk to reward for me. I don't like to take trades that have a negative risk to reward because I would have been targeting these 4-hour highs from the overnight session here. So for me, not a good trade to take just because the risk to reward was not there. That was really the only play that I was looking at today, possibly to take if the risk to reward was a bit better. And then we did get that move to the upside. And then after that, that was pretty much it for the AM session. So kind of a, interesting day with us respecting both bearish and bullish PD arrays. Days like this, there's no need to force any trades. I'm already up 5R on the week, so super clean week for me. Let me know how you guys traded this week, and I hope you guys are enjoying these market recaps, and I'll be back next week with more recaps.